We call this as an inverted image because see, the object is kept like this, correct? The image height is reversed to this. So that's why we call it as a inverted image. So that you should remember. Okay. And next, see here. At this particular case, okay, see properly, the height of the image and sorry, height of the object and height of the image are same. So there is nothing change. Okay. See here, you have a candle. Okay, candle in this size, but see the image of the candle. So it is inverted, one thing, and one more, it is enlarged compared to the size of the object. See, object, if object size is like this, and if the object image or image of the object is more than this, then we call it as an enlarged image. Okay. Similarly, there is no formation of image as it meets its infinity. Okay. This is called virtual image or imaginary, because as I said, when you bring this dots and join together, and that's called virtual image. Okay, so now it's very important for you to remember this table. It's you can remember it. The same thing is here. See, when you keep a candle at infinity, what happens? Position of the image is at the focus that you have seen. All lights will go like this and will pass through the focal point, correct? So that is at focus. Highly diminished point size. So that I have told you. Okay, diminished image and real image. Real image in the sense two lines are really meeting each other. Then we call it as a real image. Okay, so it's a real image and inverted. Inverted, right? It's beyond C. So between F and C, the image will form diminished, real, and inverted. At C, same size that we have discussed now, real and inverted. Between C and F, if the object is there, beyond C, you will get enlarged image. That's what I told you now. Okay. And next, it's real and inverted. Okay. Between F and P and F, that is, if it's P, if it's F, then you are keeping object here like this, correct? Then it is you are extending like this. At one point you will get this. So it's a virtual and erect. Erect means the height, when the object height has been increased, but in the positive side. Okay. So inverted means like this. So this is towards upward. Okay, that's why we so these are the points that you should remember, because in the problems they ask you, okay, what is the size of the image, whether it's a real or virtual. I will tell you how to identify this. Okay, yeah, great. Let's move on to the next section. So I'll leave this to read. Okay, I'll leave this to read. You people, you have to read. Okay, use of the convex mirror, concave mirror. It's very easy. In torches, searchlights, vehicles headlights. In this is a use of concave mirror. Okay, image. Similarly, if you take convex mirror, what happens? See, this is a case of This is a case of. Just give me a minute. Okay. So this is a. Closely observe here. So when you incident light like this, what happens? So everything will be reflected back like this, correct? Everything will be reflected back. So what happens when you extend the dots? Okay, it will see, for example, I forgot to say this in the beginning. In the case of Virtual, sorry, in the case of concave mirror, we have studied. In case of convex, okay, the focal length will be here and the center of curvature here, because circle will be formed in this way, right? So this is the way how it will be there. But when you incident light like this, it will go. But when you extend this, it will meet at focus point. Okay, if we do that, then we call it as a virtual image. I have told you, right? When you just extend the line, then it's called virtual. Okay, in this case, when you keep at some point, then also you will get some image here, but it's virtual. Okay, you're keeping like this, and one will go at center of curvature. See, center of curvature is here. So for example, if any light is incidented in the order of like center of curvature, then it will reflect back like this. But actually light will not go into the system, because you know what happens here, it's a coated one, right? So we are imagining that it will reflect. For if you incident in the direction of center of curvature, then it will reflect back in the same direction. That's what we are imagining. Okay, so in this case also you will get virtual image only. Okay, so what does it mean in both the cases? I mean, in all the cases in convex mirror, you will get virtual image. You will not get any real image. See here, see the point table here. They have seen given here virtual and direct, virtual and direct. So they have clearly says that this, when you incident light to the convex mirror, it always forms virtual and erect image. Understood? Erect in the sense upward in the positive direction. Okay. Yeah. So this is about convex lens. Okay, fine. Let's solve some problems here. Closely observe this problem now. Okay. Can you tell me the answer for this? Second one, first. How we can solve? Very good, Namrata, Smriti, Pavan Kumar, Abhiram. Yes, it's very simple, right? Because you know, radius of the curvature, it can be given as 2f. So here they have given the radius of curvature as 20. So 20 is equal to 2f. So f is equal to 20 by 2. So it is 10 centimeter. So you should you should not forget to write centimeter. It's very, very, very important. Okay, I should not forget. Okay, yeah. Fine. So shall we solve some of the problems? Okay, so this all I have already done. Sign convention, so direction of incident light, everything I have all done. So let's solve some of the problems. Okay, so before solving the problems, you should remember two formulas. Okay, the formulas is a mirror formula. Okay, so it's nothing but mirror formula. Sorry, mirror formula. How you can write this? It can be written as 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So this is a formula. Now you have to tell me in the chat box. Okay, open your chat box and you have to tell me what is f. Can you tell me what is the meaning of this f? Fast, quick. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm happy for you all. Okay. 1 by f. Okay. Next, what is v? Can you tell me what is v? Or what is v? Very good, Pavana. Yes, it's image distance. What is u? What is u? It's an object distance. Correct? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. So you have understood this formula. There is no derivation. Only you have to remember this formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by... See, you have to remember in the same way. Okay. You just remember this in the same way. Just give me a minute. Okay, you can remember in the same way. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗೋ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಪುನಃ 1 by v minus 1 by u. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ what you can do, you can remember in this format. So next lens cover, you can just change the sign. That's it. Okay. So remember this formula. We are solving some of the problems now. We have one more formula. Okay. So it is magnification. Magnification in the sense, for example, if you have some object, okay, for example, if you have a candle like this, okay, and when you keep the lens here, okay, when keep the lens here, and if you see the candle the other side, if the height of the candle, you know, seen enlarged or bigger, then we call it as a magnified. Okay, the height of the image has been changed, size of the image has been changed because of the lens. So then we call it as, you know, magnified image. Or in the magnification could be the less. For example, if you keep some lens here and you know the candle might look very small compared to this, so that's called magnification. Okay, so how we can give magnification can be given by height of the image, that is h dash, divided by height of the object. Okay, height of the image. And also you have one more formula, m is equal to minus v divided by u. Okay, remember, if you have formula like this, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, then this v by u is nothing but magnification. So you have two formulas for magnification. So remember, okay, one is h dash by h and one more is minus. So these are the three formulas you should remember. One is formula magnification. Sometimes what, no, they in the question they will ask h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. They will see in the form, for example, sometimes they will give h dash, sometimes they will give v, some u. Find the height of the object. Then what you have to do? Then you have to use this formula like this. See, like this. So how we can write it? H dash by h is equal to minus v by u. So you need to find h, right? So h is equal to h dash u divided by v. So the minus sign is there. So in this way you can find the height of the object. So you should know how to arrange this. Okay, fine. Let's solve some of the problems then. Hope you are cleared with this. See the first problem here. Okay. Okay, see here. You have to send me on the chat box, okay, the values. You know what is R, everything. See, first one, a convex mirror used for ray view on automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. What is the value now? What is the radius of curvature? How we can represent? And tell me whether it is positive or negative. Type it on the chat box. First. The value is how much? R is equal to plus 3 meter. Okay, don't write negative. Yeah, Kelly? Because they have asked convex mirror. Convex mirror hegirutte. So it will be like this. Convex mirror will be like this. Correct? So if you extend this here, then radius of curvature will be here. So x-axis, y-axis the east side, it is positive. So that's why radius of curvature is plus 3 meter. Okay. If bus is located at 5 meter, then what is this? Whether it's object distance or image distance. Bus is located at it's an object distance u. Whether it is positive or negative, minus 5 or plus 5. Yes, it is minus 5 meter. See, remember in this chapter for lens and as well as for lens as well as for this one for mirror, in every case object distance will be negative only. Why? Because I have said in the beginning you are keeping on your left, correct? So left ಅಲ್ಲಿ object ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that u will be always negative. Remember, don't confuse with this. So find the position. Position in the sense you have to find v, okay, nature and size of the image. Size of the image in the sense h dash. Okay, so let's solve now. Okay, let's solve the problem. Okay, see, first thing, okay, r is equal to, so you have to, the formula. What is the formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the formula, correct? Now remember here, this r they have given, but they have not given f. So what you have to do, r is equal to 2f, correct? R is equal to 2f. So f is equal to r by 2. So f is 3 divided by 2. So it is 1.5 meter, correct? So f is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, now substitute in the formula. Okay, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. F and ratio, it is 1.5 is equal to, what is the value of v? You need to find. What is the value of u? It is minus 5. Now what you can do, keeping 1 by v here only, you can take this 1 by 5 to the other side. So what will get, 1 by v is equal to 1 by 1.5. This minus will become plus, correct? So plus 1 divided by 5. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, now solve this. How you can solve? You can just multiply like this. 5 plus 1.5 divided by 5 into 1.5. How much? 5 into 1.5, how much? 12.5 alva. ಸಾರಿ 7.5 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ okay so denominator it will be 7.5 so what is the answer 6.5 divided by 7.5 so that is equal to 1 by v. Now look into this, so this is 1 by v, okay, you need to take a reciprocal of it. You should not forget at the end of the problem you need v alva. So what you have to do, you have to take a reciprocal, okay. So on taking reciprocal what you will get, so on taking reciprocal you will get, okay, so v is equal to 7.5 divided by 6.5. So the answer is almost 1.15 meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Now tell me whether it's a real image or virtual image. It's a virtual image. Why? See, you have got a v positive. V positive ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ all the time, then we can call directly that the image formed is virtual. Okay, so there is nothing more that you can discuss. Okay, fine. So next they have asked for a size of the image. Whether you have understood till here, whether you have understood solving of this problem. Okay, okay. So let's move on to the next part then. I will just erase all these things till here. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Now you have formula. Okay, so you have to nature of the image, size of the image, correct? So that is nothing but you have to find which one. You have to find h. Sorry, h dash, correct? H dash. How you can find? You know the formula. M is equal to minus v divided by u, correct? Just give me a second. Just write down the answer. V is equal to 1.15, okay? Correct, no? Yeah. No, the question is wrong actually. Your question is wrong. Here it should be magnification of the image, okay? This should be magnification of the image. So magnification can be given by minus v divided by u, correct alva? Okay, so you know the value of v. What is the value of v? It is minus 1.15. U is to, it is minus 5. What is the answer? Minus 1.15 divided by 5. 1.15 divided by 5. We'll get around 0.23. Minus 1.15 divided by 5. Okay, so then this is. Now observe here, if the value is point ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then size of the object has been reduced ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? See, h dash divided by h is equal to m alva. That is nothing but h dash by h is equal to 0.23 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. Now you observe height of the image h dash is equal to 0.3 into height of the object. For example, let height of the object to be 1 meter. Aita? Now tell me what is the value of h dash? It is 0.23 meter. Alva? What does it say? That height of the image has been reduced. So when you get the values in the order of point, if it is 0.9 also, then the height of the object and the height of the image, when you compare, height of the image has been reduced ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Point ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, in case if you get 1 or 2, see for example if you have m as 2, okay, m is equal to 2, okay, then h dash divided by h is equal to 2, correct? So h dash is equal to 2 times the height of the image, correct? So that's the height of the object. So height of the image has been doubled. Okay, great. So this is a problem. Hope you have understood till here. Okay, so let's solve this problem now. Write it in the chat box. All values. So idraddu values ನನಗೆ chat box alla ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ values ಅಂದ್ರೆ r f ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ. Okay, remember when you get an object 4 centimeter in size or in length, then it is always h. Okay, don't confuse that. Okay, that is h. Okay, write it on the chat box and tell me.